Mary. Hi, how are you?
Udah datang. Thank you so much for coming.
It's my
Saniharto
pleasure.
Showroom.
It's a very nice showroom.
Thank you.
A very nice showroom.
So much.
It's very unique with a lot of very elegant furnitures.
Modern too.
Modern too. Yes, yes.
Please.
Thank you.
Sit down.
Thank you. How have you been?
Good.
Yeah.
How about you?
Okay.
How's
We are doing okay.
During the pandemic?
Things are a bit slow, but thankfully business for us is okay. But what about yourself? I've been here the first time, and this is the Kemang showroom, one and only in Jakarta? Or?
Yes.
Okay.
We used to be in Kemang Raya Selatan. This is now in Bangka
Oh,
Raya
okay.
33.
Okay.
So this is our only showroom, but it will be completed in 4 floors.
4 floors,
so
okay.
you'll see so many more things than just this first floor. But
I
we
see.
are not yet done, but we are getting there.
Okay. When do you reckon it will be finished?
I hope by this year. Yes.
Okay.
Because we still have new products launching and stuff coming up.
Okay.
Di Saniharto sendiri kita banyak bekerja sama Pak dengan desainer-desainer lokal.
Okay.
Seperti Alvin T, Francine Denis, Pak Semi from ID12. And this year kita
semua terkenal.
Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Ya, karena kita mau membawa nama Indonesia, desainer Indonesia itu sendiri, dan juga membawa produk Indonesia yang secara project sudah di kancah internasional, tetapi secara retail juga akan kita bawa tentunya.
Okay. I went to your factory, I think about a year and a half ago. And at your factory in Jawa Tengah, I can see a lot of posters of Pak Jokowi, the president, and he's encouraging Saniharto to be doing the export business, right?
Yes.
I think you are doing a lot of export too?
We do.
Okay.
Saniharto itself is doing high-end furniture. We are a high-end furniture manufacturer.
Yes, I can see that.
So we supply mostly for high-end hospitality.
Right.
In Jakarta, we did the Raffles Hotel, the Fairmont Hotel. We completed the Park Hyatt and also the Intercontinental Jakarta.
Right.
And then we also do, other than hospitality, we also do residentials.
Okay.
And also offices and also apartments.
Wow. So it's everything. You do almost everything.
Yes, as long as they are on the high-end market, then we would love to assist, of course.
Okay.
But even then, like during this pandemic, we learned a lot.
Okay.
That we are very open with all opportunities.
I see.
And Pak Jokowi saw that too. It was such an honor when Pak Jokowi and 5 Menteri came to the factory.
Okay. Yeah, I saw their photos at your factory.
Yes. It was such an amazing day. I could not describe actually. It was a big honor, and he really supportive. He was looking at the factory plan. It was planned to be only a 30 minutes visit on his agenda, but it turned out to be like almost an hour.
Wow. Okay.
And then we prepared like a buggy, like car, and then bicycle, but he decided to walk through the I don't know 1,5 kilometer mungkin.
Wow. Okay.
All through the factory. So he really enjoyed.
Great. I'm reading some of the magazines before I come here. I see that you export to the US as well.
We do.
The Wynn Hotel.
We do.
Yeah, okay.
So let me give you a little bit of background
sure.
of what Saniharto. Saniharto was founded in the year of 1990. So it's by now it's 31 tahun. It was founded by the 4 brothers, and the name is acronym of those 4 brothers. Santoso, Yani, Harsono happen to be my father, and Winarto.
Okay, so you're the second generation of the founders. Okay.
We are the second generation. So Saniharto sendiri dulu membuat pintu, kusen, architrave, kemudian membuat slice veneer, kemudian beranjak ke marquetry, dan pada tahun 1997 Saniharto pertama kali mengisi Hotel Mulia di Jakarta. That was our first hotel project. Tapi kemudian pada tahun 2005 saya dan kakak saya lulus dari Amerika. We were so lucky, and then we were brave enough to discuss with the first generation that we want to sell under our brand. Jadi sekarang kalau sejak tahun 2005, if you open the drawers or the vanity drawers in those high-end hotels, if it's supplied by Saniharto, you can see our tag name. Our logo. We also have an office in California.
You have offices in California?
Correct. And our reps are all over America also. So if there are new hotel projects, they will be able to contact us. Dan yang mungkin sedikit saya ingin ceritakan, Pak Willie. Jadi Saniharto itu sudah menjadi preferred vendor dari high-end international hospitality brand, such as Four Seasons, Ritz Carlton.
Wow.
Dan untuk menjadi one of their private vendor, we went through big processes. Mary ingin ceritakan, kita juga able to supply for Four Seasons di Pudong.
Pudong, China.
China.
Right.
It's unbelievable because we are competing with all the Chinese manufacturers.
Right.
But the corporate, which is in Toronto, trust us. That's why that project was given to us.
So I think if all these international buyers are trusting Saniharto, would it be correct for me to say that one of the key success factor would be your quality, your workmanship?
Yes, we are really putting our quality, the detail of the workmanship, and also the quality of the finishes above everything.
Right. Do you collaborate a lot with the Indonesian suppliers, local suppliers?
Some of them.
Okay.
Yes, and yeah, we happen to collaborate it. So.
Okay. Well, what do you think of this sort of collaboration from a local manufacturer like Quadra, together with Saniharto, coming up with this tabletop? What is your opinion?
This table is designed by Pak Semi.
Pak Semi, okay.
Yes, and so it's a very beautiful piece. The original design was natural marble, but of course we are very open when Quadra offer for us to give an option with different material, solid surface material. Okay. So for us, we are very, very open because this is you have quite a selection. Right. I saw that, and you're very innovative as well.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Okay, do you know where our factory is, by the way?
I mean, you can remind me. I never visited. I should have known.
Well, when you're free next week or sometime in the coming months, our factory is located in Balaraja, Tangerang.
Oh, okay.
And yeah, same like Saniharto, all our products are locally made in Indonesia.
Oh, okay.
And in fact, we produce the biggest slab in Indonesia at 3.2 meters in height.
Oh, that's huge. And the width?
The width is 1.6.
Oh, 1.6.
So from that angle, one can use it for tabletop, for feature walls, and as well as for flooring.
Of course, many variety of application, right? Iya, kita kan juga support ya Pak untuk showroom-showroom Bapak yang terbaru ya.
Thank you very much. Yes. We are launching our showroom next week.
Meruya,
and thank you very much. You have given us a few tables and chairs. Thank you. Very much appreciated.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it's in Meruya. The showroom is in Meruya.
Yes. And I heard that you will have another one in Bandung and another one in Jakarta.
Today we have all our showrooms all over the key cities in Indonesia, and the new ones are going to be in Bandung and as well as in Gading Serpong.
So congratulations to you.
Thank you. One of the key things that we do is we manufacture all these big slabs, and one of the key criteria would be maintenance. Now, in your R&D, when you design a tabletop for your customer, what is your concept on maintenance in terms of easy of cleaning, and do you need repolishing again in the near future, comparing marble and man-made stone? What is your opinion on that?
Saya rasa untuk pemilihan bahan memang semuanya terserah kepada interior designernya. Tetapi memang lately I heard that they requested center stone, di mana mungkin lebih durable dan serve that purpose. Right. So for my opinion, I'm very open with that. If they want a natural product, we do work with a natural supplier, natural marble or stone supplier. And if the request is yours, then I'll be in contact. But I see more demand, right? So I hope all the best for you.
Okay. Yeah, today sintered stone is one option for the customers. Of course, we have natural stone, we have ceramics, we have porcelain, and sintered stone is today one option to be presented to the homeowners or the purchasers, because of its durability and also very good porosity. So in the sense that if it's on the kitchen top, there's chili sauce or minyak goreng or ketchup asin falling on it, it's just a matter of taking a wet cloth and cleaning it away. So that's the advantage of a man-made stone, right? So it's a sintered stone.
So cheers to many years to come.
Thank you. Well, I hope that we can continue our collaboration.
Of course.
And it has been great meeting you.
It's really nice talking to you.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.